Hello and welcome to this jewelry making video. In this video I will show you how to make a toggle clasp necklace using a metal charm, some beads. I will use coral and turquoise beads, a metal clasp of course, toggle clasp, and I will also need some nylon cord. I have chosen this black nylon cord for the necklace. For the cord ends I will use these spring ends and some jump rings. And the last finding that I will use is this eye pin. As tools I will use different pliers. I have a chain nose plier, a pair of chain nose pliers, a pair of cutting pliers, and a pair of round nose pliers. The chain nose pliers are used for bending the wire and for opening and closing the jump rings. The cutting pliers are used for cutting the wire, whereas the round nose pliers, as you can see they are rounded here at the end, are used for creating loops, such as the loop on the eye pin. And now, I forgot to tell you, I will also use this jump ring opener for my jump rings. Now that we have talked about the tools, the findings, the beads that we need for this toggle necklace, toggle clasp necklace, let's begin making the necklace. Let's now create the necklace. I will take the nylon cord and I will take one of these cord ends and I will put the cord end like this on my nylon cord to prevent the nylon cord from coming out of my cord end. I will grab the end of this spring cord end and press on this spring end here, like this. And as you can see, the end of this spring cord end is pressing on my nylon cord. I will grab the end of this cord here, of the spring cord end, and I will lift the last ring of my spring cord end like this, so that I can attach the jump ring. Now let's take one of those jump rings and I will open the jump ring, grabbing it with the pliers and with the jump ring opener, like this. And as you can see, I have opened the jump ring. Now I will put the cord end on this jump ring and I will also take half of the toggle clasp and also put it on my jump ring. Let's open the jump ring a bit more. Like this. And now let's close the jump ring using the same tools. I will take another pair of pliers and grab the jump ring like this. So for opening and closing the jump rings, you can use either 2 pairs of pliers, like these, or a pair of pliers and a jump ring opener like this. So as you can see, one end of my necklace is ready. So this part of the toggle clasp has been attached to the cord. And now we have this other end of the clasp. Again, I will take the spring cord end and put it on the black nylon cord, as you can see, and I will press on the end of this spring cord end this way, so that the nylon cord doesn't come out anymore, since the end of this spring cord end is pressing on the nylon cord. Again, I will lift the last ring this way with the pliers, and let's attach the other end of the toggle clasp. I will open the jump ring like this. I will put the jump ring on the cord end here, and the toggle clasp too. I will grab the jump ring and close it. Like this. And I also attached the other end of the toggle clasp. And now let's see if I can close the necklace like this. So this toggle clasp will be worn in front, on the neck in front, in the front part, on the front part of the neck. And now let's add the ornaments. So our necklace with the toggle clasp is ready. Now the next step is to create the ornamentation of the necklace. So as you can see, I took an eye pin and I put my beads, 2 turquoise beads and a coral bead, on my eye pin. And now let's see how long the pin should be. So I will cut a little bit of this pin like this with the cutting pliers, like this. This way. And now I will bend this pin, and I will make sure that the 2 loops will be in the same plane. So I will leave a bit, about a millimeter space between the last bead and the place where I will bend my pin, so that the last bead does not break. And now I will bend to 90 degrees my pin. As you can see, I bent the pin to 90 degrees. And now I will take the round nose pliers and start creating the loop. So I will grab the end of my pin and start rolling the pin. I will close the loop that I have created, like this. And as you can see, I have a loop on both ends of my beads. And the next step will be to attach the ornament. So I will attach the feather charm, metal charm. I will open the jump ring. I will put the metal charm on my jump ring. I will also put the beads on my jump ring and I will close. And as you can see, I have created the decoration of my necklace. And now I will take the toggle clasp and I will attach the decoration to my toggle clasp. So I will take the jump ring, I will open it, and I will put the jump ring on the toggle clasp this way, and I will also attach the feather pendant with the beads, and I will close my jump ring this way. And now let's see what the finished necklace looks like. Let's put the tools away. So this is the front part of my necklace. Let's see from a distance what my necklace looks like. So this will be a necklace around the neck, so it's not a long necklace, it's just around the neck, a short necklace. And this is what my necklace looks like, and this is the decoration, the pendant of the necklace. So I hope you liked this video. And I hope that you like the toggle clasp necklace.